So Steve, in just a minute, you're going to hold this here like this and here like that. Let's go ahead and practice there. There you go. Josh, in just a minute, you're going to hold this here like that, there like that, just practice there. Okay, okay? All right, so that's what we're going to do in just a minute. I'll go ahead and drop it down, let go. We're going to let go, we'll grab that in just a minute. Now, so we have the key that just fell off there, but that's okay, that's okay. And so here we are. Now, here's the thing, The Behringer cuff is the toughest thing in the world to escape from. It weighs over 25 pounds and it weighs 2 pounds. The police cannot use it because it's too mean. The military cannot legally use it. It's a black ops, high-level CIA. Here's the deal. What you do is you figure out exactly where the person's dress fits. That's me. 3 and 3. And then you go 1 more. Meaning that you go as far as you can go, and then you have to stretch it into the bones and the arteries and all that kind of stuff. So Josh, we're going to go 3 and then 2's right there. All right, so you're going to stretch across there. You're going to pull tight. A little bit harder. There you go. Then lock it up. Line it up, there you go, line it up. It's really tight. Get it yet? Okay. Now, look at how tight that is. Can you put your finger in between the chain of my wrist whatsoever? No. Now, Steve, feel right there, and can you feel the bones crunching? Yeah. Okay, so Steve, go ahead, we're gonna go 3 and then 2. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. So right here is the thing, right through there, and then you're going to put it through 2. 2 is right there. So go ahead and stretch it around and see if you can get the lock through number 2. You're going to have to pull really tight. Steve's a beast. Oh my goodness, you are not nice, sir. That's okay. Get it locked. High five, thank you so much. Did you get it? Oh, wow, yeah, and it really is. Okay, so here's the deal. So that's a Behringer cuff. CIA and high level, look, here's the deal. When you're doing a Behringer cuff, when you put someone in it, if I even elevate my blood pressure, if I even get excited or scared, my hands turn blue. If I run, you can actually break your wrist. It is a tough deal. And the only way to do it is to take a pole and to mount it on stage, a pole that's cut off here. And you put it over the pole and you beat until the hands on the wrist go through those, the bones crunch together. And they go through that hole. You can't write for at least 2 weeks afterwards. It is one of the toughest things to watch. Very crazy. Again, none of my peers have done this on stage over 20 years. But they do it. They still do it every year once before vacation. And so if you're on a cruise ship and you meet an escape artist, ask to shake their hand. And if they go like this, just say, Behringer cuff. They're gonna be like, how'd you know? So pick up the curtain if you guys would. Because what we are talking about is data security. Data security to a completely new level. Yes, you wanna hold here, Steve, with this hand here, and then with this hand over there, and right, perfect, and about here. Okay, so data security to a whole new level, because now we have an advancement. You guys aren't going to see anything from back there. You guys have an advancement now in this industry. It's the talk of the town. SteelFusion is able to take out the complete edge IT infrastructure and operations now with a single appliance that is 100 times faster in so many ways than all your edge networking, and you can literally set up an edge site in like 10 minutes, under 10 minutes. It's insane. So here's the thing, the world record besides anything I have done is 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Now, no peeky. Now actually, it's about here and about there. And it's your first time, so it's okay, Now, man, this is just crazy stuff, so tight. Would you check that out? Make sure it's just, make sure it's good and solid there. Good, solid, okay. Hey, thanks for coming. Appreciate you, man. You've been really good. You've been really good. We really appreciate you. So, so here's the thing, folks. Imagine being able to have that much control over your data. Gabe's going to talk about it in just a second. So, here we go. Fastest Behringer cuff escape in the world by at least 100 times, right? And the fastest, most amazing network appliance you've ever seen with data security. Take it away, Gabe. Thank you guys so much. Thanks so much. We have a couple seats left, guys. Come on in.
Thank you very much.